Hi, I'm Daneel Ballaram, Director of Manufacturing and Process Energy and Mining here at Baker Baynes. This year marks our 10th anniversary, a significant milestone that celebrates a decade of relentless innovation and sustained growth in the manufacturing industry. As we commemorate the special occasion, our theme Evolve, Elevate and Excel captures essence of our journey, from our humble beginnings to becoming a recognized leader in the manufacturing sector. Evolve represents our unwavering commitment to driving transformation and embracing cutting-edge technologies. Elevate reflects our dedication to enhance collaboration and raising the standards in manufacturing processes, engineering, and production. Excel signifies our pursuit of excellence, continuously pushing the boundaries for what's possible and consistently achieving outstanding results. Our theme resonates deeply with the aspirations of the manufacturing industries we serve, inspiring our teams, clients, and partners to grow together. By leveraging advanced technologies and fostering strong collaboration, we are motivated to reach greater heights and set new benchmarks in the manufacturing sector. Staying ahead in manufacturing requires continuous learning and adaptation. That's why we've created a series of webinars and industry events designed to help you optimize your workflows and unlock new efficiencies. Whether it's advanced CAM strategies, digital factory transformation, or AI-driven manufacturing, we'll cover the latest innovations to keep you ahead of the curve. Be sure to follow our social media channels and regularly check our events page for the latest updates and opportunities to enhance your skills and knowledge. The world of manufacturing is evolving fast, and we're here to help you stay on top of it. Our Autodesk training programs cover essential tools like Fusion CAM, Inventor, Vault, and Factory Design, equipping you with the skills needed to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Whether you're optimizing production processes, streamlining workflows, or implementing digital twin technology, our courses are designed to get you there. To celebrate a decade of success, we're giving you 10% off the following. Valid until the 28th of February 2025. Firstly, CPD-accredited training courses running up until the end of May. Rotations to enhance your digital transformation journey. Pinnacle e-learning series providing you on-demand learning across Autodesk solutions. Now, it's time to invest in your growth. Don't miss out. Contact us today to claim your offer. As the manufacturing industry shifts towards Industry 4.0, leveraging the right tools is critical. We're spotlighting smart automation, cloud-based collaboration, and AI-driven manufacturing solutions that will help you streamline operations, reduce cost, and increase efficiency. Whether you're looking to implement digital twins, optimize CNC programming, or improve data management, we have the right solutions to help you excel. We love celebrating the achievements of our clients. If you've experienced game-changing results with Autodesk solutions or guidance from Baker Baynes, we'd love to feature you on our success stories, like we've done so in the past for some of our other clients. Be sure to check out these stories on our website. And if you'd like us to spotlight your success, share your experience with us and let us inspire the industry. Finally, don't forget to leave a Google review and stand a chance to win a 500 Rand Take-A-Lot voucher. Here's to another year of growth, learning, and innovation. Let's continue to evolve, elevate, and excel together.